The Turkiye-ISDB International Joint Scholarship Program is a fully funded scholarship program that offers undergraduate, master's, and doctoral programs to students from ISDB member countries around the world. This scholarship is fully funded and will cover all the necessary needs for selected applicants throughout their educational journey in Turkey. This video will be divided into 4 sections: the benefits of the scholarship, the eligibility criteria, the required documents, and the tips and guide to a successful application. Before we delve into the details, a warm welcome to International Scholars, your gateway to fully funded scholarships worldwide. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for timely scholarship update. Let us begin. The Turkiye-ISDB scholarship offers a comprehensive range of benefits to successful applicants. These benefits include coverage of university tuition fees, provision of general health insurance, round-trip flight tickets, enrollment in Turkish preparatory education for language proficiency, a monthly stipend, and accommodation support. For the 2023-2024 academic year, accommodation support will be provided in addition to monthly stipends, which is around $350 for undergraduates, $375 for master's candidates, and $400 for doctoral students. Please note that these amounts are inclusive of accommodation support. Eligible candidates should be aware of certain criteria. For instance, applicants seeking undergraduate scholarships must have been born on or after January 1, 2002. Prospective scholars must not currently be enrolled at the desired level of study in Turkey, as those who are currently students in Turkey at the desired level cannot apply for the joint scholarship program. In addition, health considerations play a role in eligibility. Individuals with health conditions such as chronic or infectious diseases that could hinder their education in Turkey are advised not to apply. To explore the departments open for application in the countries where applications are received, kindly refer to the official Turkiye Scholarships website. The link will be provided in the description below. Please note that individuals holding Turkish citizenship, as well as those who have previously held Turkish citizenship, are not eligible to apply for this joint scholarship initiative. Lastly, all the Turkiye-ISDB International Joint Scholarship Program awardees who do not possess C1 level certificate for Turkish proficiency, including those who are placed into English or other language taught programs, must attend a 1-year Turkish preparatory course and attain the CU1 level certificate by the end of their academic year. The required documents. The documents required for the scholarship are very important and are mostly the ones that determine the scholarship decision for each applicant. So it is very important for applicants to carefully evaluate their document, make sure they are up to date, and meet the requirements of the scholarship program before submitting their applications. The first document is the diploma or student certificate. Applicants are required to submit a diploma proving their previous education or an up-to-date student certificate stating that they are still studying according to the scholarship level they are applying for. This means that candidates applying for the undergraduate scholarship needs to provide their high school diploma or certificate, while candidates applying for the graduate programs need to provide their undergraduate diploma or certificate. Candidates should contact their school or institution to get this document signed and approved. Another very important document is the transcript of records. A transcript is a document showing the courses and grades you took at your previous education level. Prospective undergraduate students should get their high school transcripts, and this must include course and grade breakdown for the last 3 years of high school education. Prospective graduate applicants should get their transcripts from the last university attended. Transcripts of doctoral candidates must be certified in Turkish or English or translated into these languages. Candidates need to provide an identification document, such as identification card, passport, driver's license, birth certificate, or others that are issued by the official authorities of your country, identifying you. Applicants are strongly recommended to use their passport as a means of identification, if available. Passport photographs are required. A passport photograph showing your facial features taken in the last 6 months must be provided by all candidates during application. Optional documents that can further improve your chances of getting the scholarship include: 1. Examination results. This includes the scores of any academic proficiency exams you have taken at national or international level, such as the GRE, SAT, or GMAT. These exams are used to assess your academic ability and readiness for university studies. 2. Language proficiency documents. This includes internationally valid proficiency documents related to your language skills. The specific language proficiency tests required will vary depending on the program you are applying to. For example, if you are applying to a program taught in English, you will need to submit the TOEFL, IELTS, or the Duolingo English test scores. 3. Employment certificate. This is a document that proves your past or current work experience. It should be issued by your employer and should include your job title, start and end dates, and responsibilities. 4. Reference letter. This is a letter from a person who can attest to your academic ability, character, and potential for success. The letter should be written by a professor, employer, or other professional who knows you well. 5. Certificates and certificates of achievement. This includes any certificates or awards you have received in recognition of your academic or extracurricular achievements. In addition to these required documents, you may also be asked to provide other documents such as a personal statement, a CV, or a portfolio. The specific documents required will vary depending on the program you are applying to. Tips and guidelines. 1. Thoroughly go through the scholarship program and be aware of the terms and conditions of the program. For instance, grantees who have completed their postgraduate studies are obliged to repay 50% of the monthly scholarship amount they received during their studies to the local education foundation fund in the Islamic Development Bank. Member countries in small installments after they are employed. For more information on the matter, please visit the ISDB website. Links will be provided in the description below. 2. Before applying, please take note of your nationality, education level, and age, as you may not be eligible to apply for some courses and programs. To get more insight about these requirements, check the description below for the necessary links. 3. When applying, ensure all necessary information and documents are at hand. These materials must be in PDF, JPEG, PNG, or GIF formats and should not exceed 5 MB in size each. After completing each step, your entered information will be saved, allowing you to pause and resume the application process easily. 4. Before submitting your application, make sure you fill in all the sections of the application and all your application documents are complete and correct, as incorrect application or documents can render your scholarship application invalid. If you need help going through these application sections, click the pop-up above or check the description below for guidance. Lastly, upon reaching the final page of your application, review the summary carefully. If the information and documents are accurate and complete, you can finalize your submission. Subsequently, you can monitor the status of your application and stay informed about evaluation outcomes and placement procedures through the My Applications tab. Good luck on your scholarship application. Please subscribe to this channel to receive latest scholarship opportunities. Thank you.